What is up, you guys? My name is Janibell, or Janibell if you're Dominican, and today's video we are testing out Pattern Beauty's newest products. We got the styling cream, we got the gel, and we got the oil. So we're in for a whole 3-product wash and go situation today. So if you want to see these products in action and my thoughts on the new releases, then keep watching. But before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and for more of this carita linda, because you know you want to. If you can hear the fan in the background, I'm really sorry about that. Honestly, my apartment's really hot. I had to turn off my AC because it was too loud, and it's just too loud. So I have like this small fan right next to me, but let's get started. As you guys know, my hair dries really quickly, so I have my trusty spray bottle just to re-wet the hair. My hair's kind of dry today, which I guess that's a good thing because we can see how these products really work. We're gonna start with the Pattern Styling Cream. I love how their products smell. I don't know why, but it's kind of nostalgic. It reminds me of like the products that they sell in DR, La Sirena. Those products always smell good. I did order these products myself off the Pattern site. I got the Twist Out bundle, right? I think that's what it's called, yeah. That came with the styling cream, the edge control, and the oil. I really wanted to try the oil. I just skipped out on it the first time I tried out their products. That's why I bought this bundle, because I was gonna buy the huge, bundle with all the products, but honestly, I had just placed an Ulta order for the big size of the leave-in conditioner, and I just didn't want to have another leave-in conditioner. I'm already running out of space as it is in my collection, so that's why I didn't get that set. But if you do want to see how the leave-in works with my hair, I did a review back in September. Yeah, I think that was September, with the initial launch of the brand. I'll make sure to link that video in the description box down below. Right after I ordered the Twist Out set, I kind of had doubts because I was like, I don't even do Twist Outs. What if these products aren't like wash and go friendly for me? All these thoughts. I was just like, damn. And these products are expensive, That's why I really wanted to get this review up for you guys, because Pattern cuesta cuarto, you know what I mean? Like, they cost some money. So I want to make sure that these products work well with my routine, with my usual wash and goes. This styling cream seems to have a hold, which I know is a given for some people, but I've tried so many styling creams that are just very emollient and like super hydrating and meant to deeply moisturize the hair, so I didn't know what to expect with this product, but I kind of like the fact that it has a little hold to it. Hopefully it is at least somewhat moisturizing, because as you guys saw in the beginning, my hair is just dry today. I think I need to do some serious deep conditioning, maybe like add some heat or something, because I also ordered the curl gel, the one with the medium hold. It all depends on your preference, but I like more of a flexible hold when it comes to gels, just because I don't want any crunchy curls. I don't want my hair to be too defined and hard to, expand and fluff out. So that's why I usually opt for medium hold. But if you want something a little stronger so you can get more definition, I definitely opt for the strong hold gel. This gel kind of wasn't what I expected. It's kind of like a cream consistency. Like, you see that? I mean, I guess I expected it to be clear, but yeah, very interesting. If you're still with me, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments what product you're excited to try from the line. I'd love to know what's caught your eye off the site, or if you already tried a few of their products and have some strong opinions, let me know down below. Okay, so far, I don't know what to feel yet. I feel like there might just be a little too much hold. I don't want to, get too ahead of myself before we see the final results and all that, but I'm sure you guys can tell, but my curl pattern, like, you can't really see it after I've applied the products. Like, my curls have just, kind of straightened out because of the hold. The products are pretty heavy, so hopefully that doesn't affect, the end results. Now I'm just going to apply the products to the rest of my hair. now that those two products have been applied, I'm going to pick up the jojoba oil hair serum, and I'm just gonna add that towards the ends of my hair. Ooh, did maybe like 2-3 squirts. Ooh, this smells nice. Yeah, this smells really nice. Depending on how my hair dries, once I diffuse, I'm definitely gonna add a few more drops of the jojoba oil if I feel like there's too much, you know, hold. I'm gonna diffuse real quick and then I'll be back with the results. So it's definitely, it's been 3 hours, okay? It's been 3 hours. I ended up going to TJ Maxx with the fiance, Burlington. We did some shopping, okay? I diffused until my hair was about 80% dry, and then I air dried the rest. I mean, because we had to go shopping, you know? But I didn't pick my hair. This is just how my hair dried naturally without any, you know, volume. Tons of definition, not a lot of volume, obviously, because I haven't used my pick, but yeah, I wanted to do that on camera for you guys. Ooh. Honestly, this isn't too bad for day one hair in terms of volume. This is pretty big. I'm just gonna use a couple more drops of the hair serum. This is not bad for a side part moment, you know? I rarely wear my hair in a side part, but this might be cute. Hi friends, obviously it's editing Janibell. So I really wanted to jump on here because I feel like my initial thoughts on the products were very positive, and I just really wanted to like Pattern's newest launches, but honestly, I don't think I really like these products. Obviously you can tell from the beginning of the video, I was trying to be very optimistic about the products. I was, you know, trying to give it the benefit of the doubt, you know. I'm on day 4 right now, but honestly, I've had my hair up since day 2 because I hate how my hair felt. And I really had to come to terms with that because I really wanted to like these products. Like I said, this is day 4 hair, and I've just been touching my hair non-stop, trying to figure out why my hair feels so dry and just straw-like. It doesn't feel like how it usually does when I do a fresh wash and go. Like my curls are usually soft, they're bouncy, there's not a lot of volume on day 1 as per usual, but you know, my hair never feels stiff because I go out of my way to use products that'll, you know, give me a flexible hold that will deeply moisturize my hair and, you know, give me those results time and time again. Well, these products didn't do that. That styling cream gave me no moisture whatsoever, which, I mean, I guess since they have a leave-in, like, it doesn't have to be the most hydrating thing in the world, but honestly, it should still do something. It should still do something. I shouldn't have to use the leave-in before the styling cream to make the cream work. They should be interchangeable. At least that's what I think. I think the styling cream should still be able to provide some sort of moisture to my hair. My routine is 3 products every time, you know, leave-in or cream, gel, and then oil. I shouldn't have to use more than that or add any extra products to that lineup. And then paired with the gel, I could literally start a fire on some type shit. And then the oil, which I thought would help soften the curls and break that, you know, stiff cast, it didn't do much of anything because there was no moisture to seal into the hair. So in a way, it just kind of kept my hair dry, sealed in that dryness. That being said, I do want to give these products another shot. I plan on filming another video with the styling cream and the oil using a leave-in conditioner that I already love and I know hydrates my hair well. So maybe then those products will integrate better into my routine. I don't know. I just want to give them another shot. If not, I'll just donate them. We'll see how that video turns out. That gel low-key got me traumatized, so I don't know if I want to test that out with different products yet. The consistency is already off-putting as it is, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you guys know if I try it again. I did use the styling cream and the gel along with their edge control for an IGTV tutorial, basically a bougier version of this pineapple high puff situation. I'll link that down below if you guys want to see that. It honestly turned out all right. I did do that video before I tested it out as wash and go products. But for the price tag, I mean, these products are expensive. I expected a lot more. Like, I don't want, if I'm gonna pay a premium for products, I want to be able to use them for a wash and go, for a pineapple, and updo a bun. Like, I need versatility. Like, I want to get the most out of my money, as I'm sure you guys do too. As of right now, I can't recommend the products to you guys, but I will recommend their leave-in. I love their leave-in. I might as well end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these kind of updates in my future reviews. Honestly, I love a first impression, but I feel like you don't really have a firm opinion on things until it's been like a few days, you know what I mean? Don't forget to subscribe for weekly uploads and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.